Welcome to our winter garden. As the frost kisses the ground and the winter sun shines, there's still plenty to do in the garden. Hello, gardening enthusiasts. December is here, and while the days are shorter and cooler, it's still a great time to get your hands dirty and grow some amazing crops. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, I've got a list of crops perfect for planting in the first week of December. Let's dive in. First up, leafy greens. These are cold-hardy crops that thrive in cooler temperatures. Here are my top picks. Spinach, it loves the cool weather and grows quickly, giving you a fresh harvest in just a few weeks. Kale, not only is it nutritious, but it also gets sweeter after a light frost. Lettuce varieties like romaine and butterhead grow well in December. You can plant them in garden beds or even containers. Next, let's talk root vegetables. These are perfect for the season carrots. Sow them now, and they'll slowly mature over winter, giving you sweet and crunchy treats. Radishes. They're super fast growing and ready for harvest in as little as 25 days. Onions. Opt for sets or seeds and let them overwinter for a robust harvest in spring. Don't forget about herbs. They're easy to grow and add fresh flavor to your winter dishes. In the first week of December, plant parsley. It's a resilient herb that can handle frosty nights. Cilantro, perfect for cool weather and adds a burst of flavor to your meals. Chives, these grow well in pots and are ideal for small spaces. Want to prepare your garden for the next growing season? December is the right time to plant cover crops like clover. It fixes nitrogen in the soil and improves fertility. Ryegrass. It prevents soil erosion and keeps your garden healthy through winter. These crops are great for revitalizing your soil while adding a touch of green to your garden. If outdoor gardening feels too challenging, why not bring the garden indoors? Microgreens. Grow them on your kitchen counter for a nutrient-packed harvest in less than 2 weeks. Mint and basil. These herbs do well indoors with sufficient light. With indoor gardening, you can enjoy fresh produce no matter how cold it gets outside. Gardening in December is all about making the most of the season's cool temperatures. Whether you're growing leafy greens, root veggies, or hardy herbs, these crops will keep your garden productive and your meals delicious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your gardening friends. Let me know in the comments what you're planting this December. Until next time, happy gardening.